At Decor Avenue, we specialize in making window coverings that are customizable and easy to install yourself. All of our products have been carefully designed to enhance the beauty and comfort of your home through energy efficiency, light control, and privacy needs. As a family-owned business, we take pride in having every product leave our warehouse completely cordless for child safety and passing high-level quality control practices. Our collection includes Blackout roller shades. We have taken a classic piece and modernized it with an ultra-sleek design, available in 5 colors and 2 mounting options, with a reverse white side to comply with certain HOA requirements. Top-down, bottom-up light filtering cellular shades allow for light to beautifully filter through your home. The insulating cells trap heat to prevent thermal loss, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Not only are these shades energy efficient, they are made of recycled polyester fiber, lowering our CO emissions and staying eco-friendly. Can't decide on blackout or light filtering shades? Neither could we. Day and night cellular shades offers the best of both worlds. The lower part of the shades are fabricated with aluminum-lined blackout cells. Meanwhile, the top is a sheer pleated fabric. Raised entirely, the shades will block out all light. Lowered completely, light will gracefully flow into your home, or have both at the same time. Faux wood blinds are both practical and beautiful. Their durable material is waterproof and warp resistant, but still give the look of real wood. All it takes is a simple lift or pull to operate, and with no exposed cords, they are safe for children and pets. Don't forget the drapery hardware, available in 5 finishes and 3 adjustable sizes with many, many styles to choose from. We are sure you will find finials to perfectly fit your home's unique style. Our concierge service does not end once you receive your order. Our customer care department is open 5 days a week and ready to answer any questions. Each product is also accompanied by a how to install YouTube video for step-by-step instructions. We are Linen Avenue. We are affordable luxury.